Hey guys, I'm showing you this motor box car seat covers we received as a test to try samples. So let's open this one. So these are the two front seat covers. As you can see, this is the backrest or the headrest cover. So two headrest covers and the two seat covers for the front seats. So it's the Ranch Leatherette Fox leather with the black seat covers for car. It's a diamond stitched cushioned seat protectors for any car. So this fits any size car seat, and you can see is a diamond cut seat here, and then it's a very nice feel that I can tell with the quality here, and then from the side it will cover up. So the back red rest, you can see this goes to any side seat, and this elastic will cover the seat things is a for the headrest, the zipper, so you can open and put in the headrest. So the two seat covers which are alike to each other, the same thing, and then you can just put in with this. So this is the manual that describes how you can fit this car seat. Some accessories are provided to set these seat covers inside. So these are the accessory things, so that goes in the middle to put in the car seat. So lock this. So these are the two that goes in the middle of the seat cover. So I will show you, and then there will be hooks that will come here. So let me just put in. So in the middle you will see this plastic hooks will come up. So one side will go here, and then it will go in between of the car seat, so that this will hold it well. The same thing with the other. So there are four of such plastic hooks, and then four of the metal hooks. So these two metal hooks, this will come here in the front of the seat, and then will go below the car seat to hold this car seat cover. So this actually fits most of the car seat. Is a easy installation, and then also this will not interfere with your side airbags or anything as per like their testing, and they also have the rear pockets to help you stay organized. So it all depends. So say like it put it on the car quickly, and you can see it here that it fits on the top and the side and below here on the car seat. Overall, my impression is good for seat car seat covers, for the headrest protection, for the car seat protection, fox leather feeling, and easy to clean. So basically, a nice seat covers to change in your interiors, and to have protection for your car seats. So nice car feeling, nice car seat covers, and diamond cuts. So looks really great. Have a good car seat covers.